Take an example, gs equals to 2s cube plus 10s square plus 21s plus 23 divided by s cube plus 5s square plus 7s plus 10. In this problem what we need to obtain is to obtain the signal flow diagram and state variable equations. Okay, now this is nothing but equals to say Ys divided by Us. Ys is the output and Us is the input, right? Now this transfer function can be written as if I take two common, we have s cube plus I will just write the denominator part here, 5s square plus 7s plus 10, and what we have remaining, 2s cube done, 10s square done, 14s, and here is 21s, so remaining 7s will be there, plus 20, here 23, so this will be 3. Okay, divided by s cube plus 5s square plus 7s plus 10, right? Now this will be 2 plus 7s plus 3 divided by s cube plus 5s square plus 7s plus 10, right? Now this can be written as 2 plus say y1s divided by us. Take another output y1s. Now this y1s by us can also be written as y1s divided by as and into as divided by us, and that is equals to this part, 7s plus 3 divided by s cube plus 5s square plus 7s plus 10, right? Now if I take y1s by a of s is equals to 7s plus 3 and as divided by us is equals to 1 by s cube plus 5s square plus 7s plus 10. Okay, now this can be written as this part, y1 s is equals to 7s as plus 3 of as, right? Okay, now just erase this part. Say a of s, take this as x1. Okay, now as will be, means this is the derivative part of this as, so this will be x2 and that is equals to x1 dot. Okay, so this y1s, this y1s can be written as, say take small y1, y1s, take small y1, this will be 7x2 because s into as is equals to x2 plus 3as, so 3x1, right? We can write this. Okay, and now this y1 can be also written as in matrix form, y1 is equals to 3 7 0 into x1, x2, x3, right? Okay, now the remaining this part, where this part is complete, so I erase this thing, and we have as by us, and that is equals to, so as divided by us, this can be written as as to the power minus 3 divided by 1 minus of minus 5 s inverse plus uh, minus of 7 s minus 2 minus of 10 s minus 3. Okay, this can be written as like this. Now if I just draw the signal flow diagram of this part only, what we have, we have say we have output is this A and we have input U. Okay, now we have 3 s to the power minus 1, so this 3 s to the power minus 1, s to the power minus 1, s to the power minus 1, right? Okay, this way. Now A is our x1, x1. Okay, now the derivative means the integrate this is the integration part. So we have x2 here, that is equals to x1 dot. Okay, and this is x2 dot, and that is equals to x3, what we have, and this is x3 and this is x3 dot, right? Okay, now the coefficient of s to the power minus 3 is minus 10, so we have the gain here, this is minus 10, and the coefficient of s to the power minus 2 is minus 7, so up to this we have the gain minus 7, and for s inverse we have the coefficient minus 5, so this will be minus 5. Okay, now this part is done. Now if I include this part here, so we have to just put a node here, say this is your y1, y1 is equals to 7 x2, so this is x2, so we have to multiply this into 7, and this is 3 x1, right? So this will be multiplied by 3, right? So we have what we have, this part is complete. Now what we have y of s divided by u of s, what I have done, 2 plus 7s plus 3 whatever this s cube plus 5s square plus 7s plus 10. Okay, now this part is this, right? Now this is actually the input output interconnected values, because ys equals to 2us, right? So if I put here y, we need to just multiply here. It is shown or not? I think it is shown now. Now this is multiplied by 2. So this signal flow diagram is completed, right? Now if I want to just obtain the state uh, state variable equation, what we have in this point, what we have, x3 dot, right? This will be dot, x3 dot, one sec, x3 dot is equals to minus 5x2 minus, okay, minus 5 into x3, x2 dot here also, minus 5 x3 minus of 7x2 7x2 minus what we have 10x1 plus we have the input u plus u, right? And what we have, x2 equals we have x3 is equals to x2 dot and x2 equals to x1 dot, right? So if I formulate equation by this three equation, we have x1 dot, x2 dot, x3 dot, and this is the A matrix. This is x1, x2, x3, and this will be 0. x1 is x1 dot is x2, so this will be 1 and this will be also 0, and x2 dot it will be x3, so this is 1 remaining at 0, and this will be x3 dot is equals to minus 10x1 minus 7x2 minus 5x3, okay, plus u means what, 0 0 1 into u. So this is the state variable equation and this is the state flow diagram, signal flow diagram, right?